Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be on my October monthly spread. I'm just gonna take out the insert, I think, because it's on like right on the thing. Here is a busy month of birthdays. I have like a ton of birthdays this month, so I'm just gonna take the insert out like that. Put this off to the side. Take the ones that I have around it off. And yeah, I haven't actually been using my monthly inserts as much. I think it was because it was summer and it wasn't really needing like my monthly view. And I have my like financial planner thing in the back, so I'm not needing to track bills. And wow, that's way off. And I did the arm trick and it didn't work. So we're just going to be way off this month. That's okay. You can just see it's just a little bit, not a huge big, but this paper, this is a insert from So Much Crafting. It's great quality thick paper, but it is not very forgiving. So I am just going to, I think I'll do this one and put the October down. And I'm having trouble. That's weird. So this month of October is kind of busy. I have a lot going on. I'm really excited. I've got some really fun stuff going on. And that should make for a exciting week or month. Also, like I said, I have a lot of birthdays this month, so that means there's a lot of celebrating, which is always fun. So I'm gonna put these full boxes down, put a couple down here. And I'll take, it's also my shop anniversary. I guess this would be the good time to talk about my shop anniversary, which is Saturday the 6th. There will be, sorry, I didn't realize that not in the shot. It will be, like I always do a sale that weekend. There will be a big sale. We're talking like 25% off. There's also going to be a kit that is available only during the month of October. It may come to the shop like in April, May of next year, but it'll be slightly different and will not come with all the like cool freebies. I have some shops that have participated with me to add some extra stuff, and then so you'll be getting that and some other awesome things. Does anyone have anything on the 12th? Because I think this would look cute. Okay, there. No, I'm going to put something there. Saturday the 13th. I have SAT. Sorry, I'm trying to... I didn't... Okay. Just try not to put them on places that I have stuff, but that's not working out. You know what? I'm just going to put it here, where I wanted to put it. Okay. And then I'm going to just grab the dots for... You know what? I'm going to go... I'll speed through it so that you don't have to listen. I have in the past, I usually just cut the camera and edit it out, but some people like watching this, so I'm going to keep the camera going and just speed it through. so cute. It takes a long time, but it's totally worth it. So I'm going to put in the, that's okay. I totally ripped that, but you can't tell if I do it. So I'm going to put the Halloween at the bottom because if you have been watching my videos for a long time, you'll know that's also my grandma's birthday. So I leave it wider open for that. Okay, and then my 3-year anniversary, like I said, is on the 6th. So really excited. There's gonna be so much like fun stuff going on. I'm still like figuring out all of it, but there's gonna be like special bundles and stuff like that. So before we do birthdays, I'm going to put in, I'm doing a mini road trip. My friend and I are going down to San Diego to go see a band. Their name is Erin Collective. They are a Christian band. They are a Christian band, and we are going from, the concert is actually on the 25th, but we're going to stay over. Do I want that? Dang it. I pulled that one out, not thinking, you know what, whatever. I'm going to put this one on top so it doesn't matter. We are staying over because it's just smarter to... So I'm taking those 2 days off of work so I can go to the concert. I'm very excited. We're going to have so much fun. I'm going to put that like that. I really need to make Tigro stickers with like a music sign because that would be awesome. So instead I'm going to take this little car and put the little one. I'm going to put it like right there because we're driving to San Diego. Okay, then we have the ACT on Saturday the 13th. I put the 14th for whatever reason, and the thing with these inserts is, despite my like weekly, I'm used to it starting on Monday, I am not used to my monthly views starting on Monday, and so I make mistakes all the time because I'm like, oh, this is Friday, and it's not, it's Saturday. Anyways, so the SAT is on, or yeah, the 14th, and the ACT is on the 13th. So I'm going to just put my little alarm clocks like I usually do. The ACT is the 27th, so there's that. And then, oh, payday. I think it used to be the 5th, and then all last year it was the 3rd, except for the last time our last paycheck was the 4th. So I don't know when it's supposed to be. I'm going to put it on the 4th though, because that seems to be about when it is. Ooh, that's way off. Let's see if I can get up with this. Ooh, I can twist it though. There we go. So, payday, which makes me excited so I can pay my bills. Okay, I think that's everything that's not birthdays. Now, here comes the crazy part. Let's get the birthdays going. Okay, on the 2nd, and I'm actually going to use this cute little dog for her because she has the cutest little dog, is my friend Carissa's birthday. The 4th is my dad's birthday. The 5th is my friend Amanda's birthday. I should have brought different, like, so I had more variety, but oh well. Okay, let's go. 17th is my friend Jessica's birthday. Then we have my friend Brittany's birthday. I'm going to use a dog for her also on the 23rd. And then we have my grandma's birthday on the 31st. That's a lot of October birthdays. October and April are like the months that I have the most birthdays in, and I think it's kind of funny. Okay, so I'm trying to think, is there anything else? I think that's it. So that is my busy, fun October. This is what the overview looks like. This is also available for personal size, Happy Planner, and Erin Condrens in my shop right now. So you can go check it out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!